Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get beta version Stumble Guys on PC on Steam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Steam and log into your account. From here, we need to do a search and then type in Stumble Guys. Here it is here, it's free. So click onto the game. Then from here, it's going to have a install button where it says play. Then from here, it's going to be added to your library, so your Steam library. So then from here, go ahead and click on your library. Here it is here, Stumble Guys are beta. So go ahead and right click it, click on the properties. And now we've got different tabs here on the left hand side under Stumble Guys. Go ahead and click on betas. And now beta participation, we want to go ahead and click on that drop down menu and click on beta, open beta. And if you got a private beta, so you can enter in access code to unlock private betas here. And you can also check that code. Now I'm going to click out of this. Then from here, simply press the blue install button inside of Stumble Guys, and that's going to install it on your computer, and you're going to be able to play it after that.